Welcome. In front of me is a OPPO Reno 4 Lite, and today I'll show you how to format the SD card. And to get started, let's open up Settings. From here, scroll down to Additional Settings, choose Storage, and then at the bottom you should find your storage. So there we go, tap on it, and from here you will have the option to format SD card. Select it, it will give you a message that all data on the SD card will be erased. So if there's anything that you would like to keep, photos, videos, anything like that, you might want to back it up beforehand, otherwise you will lose it permanently. But assuming you have already done it or you don't want to, tap on Format SD card. If you have some kind of PIN, pattern, password, you will need to confirm it. I do, so once you confirm it, tap on Format SD card once more, and the process will begin. Now it's a fairly quick one, it only takes about like 10 seconds, and once it's finished, the card is immediately ready to be used once more, as it is right now. So tap on OK, and we're done. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.